Hey my dear, welcome back to the channel. Today at Panda JUK, we are going to explore 7 ideas to make weather words stick to your students' brains like honey. Idea number 1, the magic of real life. Imagine showing flashcards with pictures of the sun and rain. Boring, right? But what if your classroom itself becomes a weather station? When you turn your room into a place where weather happens, words come alive. Start your weather lessons by choosing different students to be the weather reporters for the week. Every morning they get to look outside, tell everyone what they see and how it feels. This real connection to the weather happening just outside the window makes new words feel real and important. It's like becoming weather detectives, searching for clues in the sky. Number 2, the power of stories. Weather lessons work best when you teach them like stories. When teaching cloudy, go outside and point to real clouds in the sky. Help your students see how they look like white cotton wool in the blue sky. When explaining windy, open a window and let your pupils feel the breeze touching their face like a gentle friend. This way of learning is especially great for pupils who learn by moving and touching. Number 3, weather charts that change every day. Here's a tip to make any weather lesson unforgettable. Weather charts that your students can change every day. Make a big chart where pupils can move pictures of the weather. Write down temperatures and watch patterns like a scientist watching nature's heartbeat. This activity makes vocabulary strong while building thinking skills. Number 4, mix language learning with science thinking. The best weather activities mix language learning with science thinking. Have your students guess what the weather will be like tomorrow, using the new words they've learned, and check if they were right the next day. This teaches weather words while helping pupils think and observe. It's like becoming meteorologists, predicting what's coming next in the sky's story. By doing this, you turn each student into someone who can read the sky's language. Number 5, go beyond simple words. Weather words go far beyond simple terms like sunny and rainy. Teach describing words that paint pictures in their minds. For example, teach the difference between a soft breeze that whispers through trees and a strong wind that roars like a lion. Help students see how rain can be light and gentle, kissing the ground or heavy and drumming on rooftops like fingers playing a wild song. Also, teach them to talk about clouds. Some are just a few in the sky, while others are gray and cover everything like blankets. These detailed words help students speak with care and creativity. Number 6, connect emotions and weather. Think about how different weather makes people feel. Some students love stormy days that buzz with energy. Others prefer sunshine that feels like a warm hug. Use these feelings to create fun talks where pupils explain their favorite weather using the new words they've learned. This personal touch makes learning grow like flowers after spring rain. Number 7, explore weather around the world. Many teachers find it hard to make weather lessons interesting all year round. The answer is to explore weather in different countries and seasons. It's like opening doors to faraway places. When teaching about snow in summer, show videos of winter places where snowflakes dance like small dancers or cold places where ice goes on forever like frozen seas. This worldview helps students understand more while staying interested. To sum it up, the most fun weather lessons happen when students join in and not just sit still like statues. Have them make weather reports for pretend places that live in their imagination. Design clothes for different weather or plan activities based on weather. This active part turns vocabulary learning into real-life skills that will help them like useful tools. Whether teaching works when it connects classroom learning to daily life, words stick when are used in a context. I guess you like this video so far if you are still around. Keep watching. Don't forget to give us a like and hit the follow button, as it really helps. Then write into the comments for any lesson requests. Every day we cover how to teach and practice new words naturally, turning each sunrise into a vocabulary lesson and each sunset into a chance to describe the sky's beautiful painting. Remember, when students automatically notice and describe the weather using English words, your teaching has reached its goal. I'll see you again tomorrow to make language learning flow like a river. Goodbye now.